Wow!
Top left corner of this old stepping stone is a polymer clay tile I made. You can see that it has turned black in the sunshine over the years, and many of the inclusions that I rolled into it have fallen out. FYI, all of these stepping stones are over 5 years old. Geez, some of them are 10 years old, I think. They did get a proper sealer 511 impregnator when I completed them, but since then I haven't resealed. Naturally, the grout is very thirsty and easily sucked up the new color wash. I could have added another application of 511 impregnator, but I'd rather have some fun and color the grout this time.